Hey, Jake, I was thinking, why don't we plan a fun get-together with our friends this weekend?
That sounds like a great idea, Emma. What kind of activity are you thinking of?
Maybe a picnic at the park or a game night at someone's house. What do you think?
A picnic sounds perfect. We can enjoy the nice weather and play some outdoor games.
Awesome. Where should we do it?
How about Riverside Park? It has lots of space, picnic tables, and even a barbecue area.
That's a great spot. What time should we meet?
Let's say 2 p.m. That way, we have time to set up and enjoy the afternoon. What time do you think we should finish?
Maybe around 7 p.m.? That way, we can relax and clean up before it gets dark.
Sounds good. Now, what should everyone bring?
I can bring some sandwiches, chips, and drinks. What about you?
I'll bring a portable speaker for music and some snacks. Maybe a cooler with extra drinks, too.
Great. We also need some activities. Maybe a frisbee or a soccer ball.
Good idea. I have a frisbee and a deck of cards for games. Who should we invite?
Let's invite Alex, Sarah, Mike, and Lisa. Do you think they'll be free?
I think so. I'll send a message to Alex and Mike, and you can check with Sarah and Lisa.
Perfect. Should we ask them to bring anything?
Yeah, maybe Sarah can bring some desserts, and Mike can bring extra drinks.
And Lisa could bring a blanket or some chairs.
Good thinking. Oh, and should we bring a speaker for music?
Yes. You mentioned bringing one, right?
Yeah, I'll make a playlist for the picnic.
Nice. This is going to be so much fun.
I agree. So, to summarize, we'll meet at Riverside Park at 2 p.m. on Saturday and finish around 7 p.m.
I'll bring sandwiches, chips, and drinks. You'll bring music, snacks, and a frisbee.
And we'll ask Sarah to bring desserts, Mike to bring drinks, and Lisa to bring chairs or a blanket.
Perfect. I'll send out the invites now.
Me too. I can't wait.
Same here. It's going to be a great day. See you soon, Jake.
See you, Emma.